n conducting wires of same dimensions but having resistivities 1, 2, 3 and so on are connected in series. The equivalent resistivity of the combination is. Here in the question it is given that there are n resistors having same dimensions, that is length as L and cross sectional area is A, are connected in series. The resistivity of each conductor is different, rho 1, rho 2, rho 3 and so on. They are asking us, if these resistances are connected in series, then what is the effective resistivity? We know the resistance is, if they are connected in series, then their equivalent is given by with this equation. And we have a piece of information that resistance of any conductor is equal to resistivity into length of that conductor divided by its cross sectional area. So if we plug in these values over here, we will get R effective can be written as rho effective L effective divided by area effective is equal to this equation. Now if you see, the total length of this conductor becomes L plus L plus L plus L, that is NL. So this L effective we can write as NL. In place of this rho effective, this we need to calculate. This becomes NL whole divided by the effective area, that is cross sectional area of each wire, that is height is A, is equal to, in place of this rho 1, value of rho 1 is given in the question. This is L whole divided by area. Value of this rho 2 is given 2, then this L whole divided by area, and then this thing. Now if you take L by A common from this right hand side, left hand side we are having L by A, it will get cancelled. So we will have this equation. Now if you see on the right hand side, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, that is sum of first n natural numbers. And in mathematics we have a formula, sum of first n natural number is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So if you plug in this formula over here, you will get rho effective into this n is equal to n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. This n and this n gets cancelled. From here, rho effective is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So the effective resistivity of this combination is given by n plus 1 divided by 2.